So here we are, the first harvest of September, and it's looking pretty good. So I'll quickly just talk you through it and try and give you an idea of how things are shaping up for the season. So kale in summer is not my favourite thing, so we only pick a little bit of that, but obviously as it cools down, the kale improves. Nice little red cabbage there. We have got another little red cabbage somewhere, but I don't know where it's gone. And loads of red cabbages. So red cabbages now until sort of March time, probably. Cauliflowers, lots of cauliflowers come in, lots of white ones, quite a few purple ones. Loads of calabrese on the way as well, so that's really nice. Loads of beans, but the beans are starting to slow down just a touch. And, oh yeah, loads of sweet corn, which is proving, as always, very popular. Beetroot, I've got enough beetroot. I'm not picking a huge amount because it's not very popular at this time of year. I know I love it at this time of year, but not everybody does. Carrots, very pleased with these carrots. Absolutely great. I'll just turn that one over though so you can see. Just the odd one has split. That's the only one in this pick, I think, that's split. But really nice long carrots. Very happy with those. Did a test pick as well out of some of the containers. I think that's one of the ones out of the containers, so it's not too bad. These are really being grown for salad carrots in winter, so I don't really need to pick them yet. Little red cabbage pups, which are one of my favourites. Really nice courgettes still, although they are slowing down a bit, but I've got lots of smaller ones, so maybe sort of 6 inches, 5 inches long probably. That'll be ready to pick next week. Just a few other courgettes, and I did pick this melon. I've got a few melons that I think will ripen this year, but not very many. That one almost certainly hasn't ripened, but I thought I'd just pick it anyway because I needed to. Clear the beds. Peppers still the star of the show, and probably will stay the star of the show all the way through September. Really nice sizes these for stuffing, but obviously we use these in the passata mixes as well, so yeah, plenty of peppers there, but we'll get through all those. All this is just for the local family, by the way. It's not, Debbie and I don't get through this every week. And spinach, just 2 tubs for cooking, 1 tub for the salad mixes, just a few sample onions and shallots there. Some of the summer leeks, still got a few summer leeks to get through. I did a few too many, I think, summer leeks this year. Beautiful apples. This is the one off my childhood apple tree, and it's absolutely a stunner, but yeah, just little bits of damage on them, not too much. A bit of basil. These are really nice. These are red delicious, and they're just at the point where they're just falling off the tree at the moment. Again, there's always a little tiny bit of damage on most of these things because of birds pecking at them and things like that, but generally speaking, very happy with those. A few more beans, and these are the potatoes we're eating right now out of the store. So we've got Sarpamira and estimate and a few Charlottes in store. Loads more to pick, of course. Picked my first pick of Asian greens since about May. Red pak choi, komatsuma, and well, I think that's most of it actually. No tatsoi yet, but I'm pretty pleased with these, looking really quite nice. Enough. We've got all the tomatoes for eating fresh, so these are all the ones we've saved to make passata with. So that's just about the right amount to make a big batch of passata. Just enough cucumbers this week. So we normally have a bit of a glut of cucumbers, but again, it's slowing down a touch. But yeah, there's enough. Also slowing down a touch are the golden purslane, but there's enough for me there. And I do the harvesting, so it's me that gets the pick. And then some nice spinach for the salads as well. And the salad onions, and just going to make up the rest of the salad mixes. And then I'm done. So that is quite a nice harvest. Pretty pleased with it. I probably haven't mentioned, you know, some of these things are slowing down. Tomatoes are not slowing down. We've got loads and loads of tomatoes still to go. Potatoes all year round, of course. Beans slowing down a bit. Asian greens starting to pick up now. And onions all year round, leeks all year round. Loads of apples still to pick. Peppers until the middle of October. Courgettes probably until about October. Carrots all year round. Beetroot all year round. Probably another couple of weeks of sweet corn. Cauliflowers probably about another month or so. Maybe 2 months of cauliflowers. 2 months of calabrese. Kale all year round. So that gives you an idea of what we try and do. Try and fill this table basically every week of the year. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.